Hello everyone, my name is Manu and I welcome you all to my channel Learn English. In this video for today, we'll be doing the present perfect tense. But before moving further, I would like to suggest you that if you have not watched my last video which was about present continuous tense, then do please click upon the I button and watch that video first before moving further because that concept will surely help you in this perfect tense. So let's get started. So what is present perfect tense? Present perfect tense is a proper mixture of both present and the past time. In this one tense, you will surely see both the actions, the action that has been completed in the past time but has a strong effect in the present time of speaking that action. So let's see, the definition here is this tense is a mixture of present and past. At the time of speaking, the action is already complete in the past. That is what the main point is. Whatever the action is associated with your sentence, that action is already being complete in the past time, but it surely does has a strong connection with the present time, or your action whatever has happened is being complete in the past, but in the present time whenever that thing is being spoken or that sentence is being spoken at that particular time, that action has a strong influence in the present time. That kind of sentence use present perfect tense. Let's see this with an example to understand in a better way. The example says, I have just seen that film. When the person is saying, I have just seen that film, that means that action is of watching the film. That is already being over in the past time. He has already have watched that movie, that is over in the past. But he's telling this thing right now, the present time is what makes it into a present perfect tense. Whatever action has happened in the past, but it has surely a strong connection with the present time. Let's see a few more examples to understand this in a more better way. Like the very first example here says, I have already had my breakfast. Now here a person is trying to tell somebody that I've already finished my breakfast. So his action of eating the breakfast in the past time is over. So he is trying to tell this to somebody so that he can tell that I cannot eat more. I have already had it. So it has a strong connection with the present time. Because what he did in the past is connected with the present. Because he ate his food just few hours back, he cannot have it now. So that is connected with the present way. So that is how you can easily understand this tense. Let's see the next point. It says, she has known me for 2 years. So this is someone talking about a friend that she knows me for 2 years. So this action of knowing someone is again has started from the past time. She started to know him since the past time. And now also they know each other. So that is completely clear that it has an influence in the present time also. The third sentence is, you have gone to school. Now maybe parents are telling to the child that you have gone to school that time. That is how you can understand this sentence. And because they are telling this to the child at the present time, that is how it makes it different, and it is a present perfect tense. So sorry, next time whenever you have to use this sentence, then you need to understand that whenever this tense is coming, that is present perfect tense, you need to act appropriately, understand that it will surely have present and past both into the sentence. Let's see some of the rules of the present perfect tense. So how do we write the present perfect tense? For any positive sentence to write in a present perfect tense, we need to add has or have along with the subject. First, your subject will come, along with that has or have, any one of them according to your sentence, and then the verb, which would be the third form of the verb, that would be ending with ed or d. So let's understand a sentence which says, I have finished my work. Now this is a positive sentence. So it has, I have finished my work. The verb here is finished, which has ended with ed. Now let's see what will happen if you have a negative sentence. For any negative sentence, you just need to add not to it. That it has not or have not along with the verb that is ending with ed or d. That is the third form of the verb. It will remain as it is. As it is, the verb will remain same, but only not would be added along with has or have for a negative sentence. Like it is, I haven't finished my work. So this is a completely negative sentence where someone is saying that I have not finished my work. So we have just added not along with have. Now what will happen if you have a question sentence? You have to write a question. Then in that scenario, your subject will come in between the has and have, and the verb. Your sentence will start with any one of the has or have as per your sentence, and then the subject will come in middle, and then your verb will come. That is the same form of verb, that is the third form of verb. And like, let's see, the sentence here says, has he finished his work? So it's a question sentence. In such sentences, always the subject would be in middle. So that's how you can write a sentence using the present perfect tense. Let's see a few points to remember while we are using the present perfect tense. The most important thing that you need to remember about this tense is that you cannot use it when you are being too specific. When you are being very specific about what it happened or when it happened, when it has lot of specification like exact time or exact ways, when it is there specifically, then you cannot use the present perfect tense. Like, let's see with the example. The very first example here is, I have put away all the books. When I'm saying I have put away all the books, that is an absolutely correct sentence of present perfect. There's no problem with the sentence. But when I say I have put away all the books this morning, when I have added this morning to it, I'm being very specific that I did this in the morning only. Then it is a grammatically wrong sentence. We cannot use present perfect along with a specific time, or not only time, whenever we are being very specific, we cannot use present perfect. So this you need to remember so that we don't make any such kind of grammatical errors. Now let's see few important terms which you need to remember along with this tense. Like, this tense is generally used with since, for, how long, whole, although. These words will help you easily differentiate between different tenses and present perfect. So you can just keep this in your mind that these would be the most common kind of words that will get through whenever you are making the sentences for present perfect. So that's all for the present perfect tense, and I'm leaving you over here with few of the practice questions. Please do attempt them. This will surely help you to understand it in a good way. These are some of the questions which I gave in my last video, which was about present continuous tense. So please do pause the video over here and do check out your answers. And if you have any doubts, then do please leave them in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have liked it, then please do show a thumbs up for the video. And do like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time with another form of tense. Till then, goodbye, take care.